Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to back up the database and the log records and restore. To back up the database, we have to go to utilities. In the utilities, you have an option called backup database. Once you click on that, it is going to ask you for the path. You need to give the path and say OK and say save. Once you save the database, it is going to create a backup file. As you can see, the backup file has been created here. This file can be restored in case your application is crashed or your DB is corrupted, the original DB, you want to restore this file. So you can copy this file and you can put it into a default location, that is your C drive, program 86, ESSL, eTime TrackLite, and you can paste the file here and you replace it. So whatever the database is available, data is available on your database, the day you have taken a backup, till that date, you will get all the data. Now, I'll show you how to back up the log records. For example, we have a logs in masters. If I go say log records, these are my log records. I want to back up and clear from my software. So what I do is I'll go to utilities, backup and clear log records. From which date to which date you want to back up and clear, you have to select the from date and to date and give the path where you want to store the log record backup and say clear logs and say save. So backup of the log record is created successfully, and close this file. If I close this tab and reopen, let me see if my data has been cleared or not. The data has been cleared from here and the backup has been created on my desktop. Now if I need to restore this backup file, I go to utilities. There is a restore log records. I select the file log records from my desktop location and say open and restore. I close this log record tab and reopen it. The data which I have backed up is restored back here again. So this is how you are going to take a backup of your log records and the database and restore them. Thank you everyone.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest update.